we plant churches. Yan ang ginagawa ng mga Christians sa church. Nagpapasalamat tayo sa Lord na tayo magkakasama ngayon. At pinagpipray ko, forever na to. Kung po pwede, wala talagang mamamatay. Kaya pakisabi mo sa iyong katabi, huwag kang mamamatay. Pero alam naman natin ang katotohanan. Diba? Alam naman natin ang katotohanan. Meron tayong, kung hindi pa muling babalik ang Panginoon, talagang may date yan na siya nakakaalam kung kailan yan. Pero, praise God na magkakasama tayo ngayon. Pero, darating din ang panahon na meron tayong mga kasama dito na ibibless natin, ibibless ng church natin para gawin niya yung pinagagawa ng Lord sa atin to plant churches. Dahil sabi sa atin sa 1 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 5 to 7, what after all is Apollos and what is Paul? Only servants through whom you came to believe, as the Lord has assigned to each his task. I planted the seed, Apollos watered it, but God has been making it grow. So you're the one who plants, nor the one who waters is anything, but only God who makes things grow. Within the church, meron talagang tinawag si Lord na ito yung nagpa-plant, at may tinatawag din si Lord na ito rin yung tumutulong para yung plinant ay mag-grow. And there's one thing that the Christian church has been doing consistently mula nung sinabi ni Jesus Christ sa Matthew 28:19 to 20, yung go and make disciples. Noon at hanggang ngayon, ito ang consistent na ginagawa ng lahat ng mga true disciples of Jesus Christ. They plant churches. And even our ministry, ang Rise Up Ministries, as our ministry at the time of this preaching, has been doing ministry for 30 plus years. Mula nung nagsimula ang ministry natin noong 1994, sa bawat conference na pina-organize sa atin ng Panginoon, ito may tungkol sa mga kabataan, ito may tungkol sa worship, o tungkol sa missions. Tulad din nung huling conference kung saan ako'y nag-preach. Tayo ay ginamit at patuloy na ginagamit ng Panginoon to preach the gospel and to encourage Christians and churches to preach the gospel and to plant churches. Indirectly and directly, our ministry has planted so many churches in the last 30 years. At patuloy tayo magpapagamit sa Panginoon as a church para magawa natin yung pagpaplant ng churches to as many places in the Philippines and to as many places in the world. As a pastor, there's a part of you that's mixed emotion whenever dumadating na yung time na meron kang kailangan i-release to be able to plant a church. On one hand, nandun yung sadness dahil maaring physically hindi kayo madalas na magkikita tulad ng dati na weekly, every Sunday, nagkikita kayo. But also, there is this joy na yung taong yun, tinanggap niya yung calling mula sa Panginoon to plant a church and that you have helped this person and that you will continue to help this person in their growth in their faith as God enables our church through these people to plant more churches worldwide. And I pray, especially this year and in the coming years, na ito ay patuloy na magawa ng ating simbahan, ng ating ministry. What do Christians do in church? We preach the gospel. We make disciples. We equip His people for works of service. We appoint leaders. And we plant churches.